Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find this advanced option. Here we have this one-handed mode that we have to just turn on by clicking on this button. And right here we can even choose if you want to swipe down to pull screen into reach or just to show notifications and quick settings. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!